Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing some cleaning. I have a sink full of dishes. I have a dishwasher to empty. I need to dust, I need to vacuum. I need to wipe down the bathrooms. I have a load of laundry to fold. Layton's sheets are in the washing machine. Actually, no, I'm sorry, I switched them over when I got home from grocery shopping. They are in the dryer. I need to put a load of laundry in. We gotta get it all done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just a quick clean with me to give you some cleaning motivation. If you guys are new here, I would really appreciate it if you guys would consider subscribing and joining my little family over here on the internet. So I have been procrastinating for the last half an hour, standing around eating my lunch very slowly and watching Friends. So I gotta get to work because the kids get off the bus in an hour and a half. So I wanna have everything done so I can just hang out with them when they get home from school. So let's get started. Make sure you are subscribed and either put this video on, clean along with me, or watch it for a little bit, get some cleaning motivation, and get your to-do list done as well. So let's get started.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
All right, time to do the bathrooms. So I'm going to scrub out the shower with some Kaboom, I think I have, hopefully. Oh my God. My children and the toothpaste. I can't even deal. Look at this. There. Look at this, what the hell? They are disgusting. Disgusting. I'm trading them.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again. Yeah, I need you. Weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? For you, I'm weak for you. Weak for you, I'm weak for you.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young, just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. we're acting stupid. We're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young, just go a little crazy and lose it.
Okay, now that the mopping is all done, that was gross. I need to dust and vacuum the main living area. I have a small load of laundry to fold. Layton's bed still left to do. I did her comforter, so it's like taking forever to dry. So those things are still in the dryer. And then we had such a busy weekend. I haven't changed my calendar and it's May 2nd. Who am I? There's always a plan clean with me. That's what this video is gonna be, plan and clean. Just a few days late, that's okay. So we're gonna update the calendar as well. But first we're going to dust and we are going to vacuum. I have my bucket out on the deck. I do that and I like spray it with Lysol and like sanitize it, let it sit in hot water and then wash it out itself just cause it's gross, you know? So, all right, I have 15 minutes before the kids get home from the bus. So all of that is definitely not gonna get done. So, but that's okay. I was really slow in eating my lunch, like I said, and Friends is just one of those shows that you watch and you like forget how much you love it, and then you like are like, oh, I'll just watch this episode, and then the next one comes on and you're like, this one's even better than the last one. So, but I did clean the my bathroom too. I didn't film it because like you saw me clean one whole bathroom. I did the same thing in the other one. So let's get dusting and vacuuming.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close, closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before.
Hey, won't won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything, I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah.
All right, last thing, and then we are done. We're gonna change out the calendar for May, and I need to get dinner going. So, I'm gonna get that done, and then now I have the rest of my night. We actually had a play date too, so it's almost 5 o'clock. So I took a break obviously for that, and hung out with the mom while the kids played. So I'm going to get this calendar done, and then we are done. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.
Gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything, I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang.
Yeah.
I want you there right by my side, baby, please. So hold me tight throughout
I
the
asked my
night.
aunt today. She's like,
Hey, won't you pour me another?